Very good morning to all respected friends, my dear creamy students. We discuss various attacks and the differences of various failures and in which way the even the set of instruction package software itself only going to be attacked. If so happening, we can say two different way. One is called proactive and reactive. The attacks reactive and the proactive internally or externally attacks which are going to be take place to the system. So and as well as the whole organization in order to manage. But you have to think very strongly how we can protect if some sort of a deliberations which are going to be take place to the software. We can call it as protecting against deliberate or deliberation of the software attacks. See, one thing is very important. Is it possible to make a well awareness or a training, or you can easily educate? We can say that one who are will be the user who are available, you have to give a proper instructions. See what will happen. We are very strong in Windows environment of whatever the professional we are using regularly. Sometime what will happen, the changes which are going to be take place remotely, virtually, we are connecting from the Android phone, we are connecting from the Macintosh OS, so we are connecting from the Iris, we are connecting from the IBM compatibility OS, so whatever it may be. There, if any sort of correct, no, anywhere else you would like to get through that one, which are going to be some sort of correct, no, a person who are well versed and knowledgeable, they used to create a lot of intelligence factor, then immediately they come across, even though we are at the learning stage, the chances are going to be attacks. Keep in mind, educating a well manner in positive manner overall the user, especially most of the government agencies, government organization, educational institution, universities and authorized whatever it may be comes under the judiciary of the US government, make security awareness especially compulsory mandatory. See what will happen, you are the government authorization or the government employee, in the sense you should have some sort of a policy, you have to take a oath, and based on that one only you have to work. You should not just change your whatever your interpersonal and the personification against the organization, and you have to be committed and you are under the control of the organization. These are the things what happen from the US government. Say many of the US government organizations make security awareness programs compulsory, and many private sector companies are following their example. See, usually what will happen today, without ID card, we are not supposed, none of the multinational company and the private organization not in a position to allow. Even though there should be a barcode, there should be a identification used to be asked through the RFID, then that corresponding information which are goes to the system. From the system, there should be authentication, attendance on the server like that way. These are a mandatory. That means how we can easily educate in a disciplined manner, and you have to cultivate a level of an attitude in an educated way. And similarly, email monthly security updates to all employees. See, we have with junk mail, so we have unauthorized mail, so we have not a purpose of a mail used to come. Even though we have a certain limitation, if you are getting from the organization 100 mails, so 1000 mails, so among 1000 mails, which are all very important mails, and correct, no, some of the junk mail will keep, will neglect, will casually will forget, we need not to be bothered about these are the mails. What will happen, that one, see, automatically which goes to occupy and cache, correct, no, hard disk, and that indicates that one we don't have a space for storage all the thing, and whatever the limit which are there for allotment a space to any user, There should be a log table for that one. That's why email monthly security updates to all employees. They used to be updates such a, even though very close to 99%, they used to send a warning message such a way that we are not in a position to, yes, please kindly delete most of the junk mail which are unwanted mails from your, or else what will happen? Nothing is going to be happen. Whatever the incoming mails which are comes to the email server, to our iBox or mbox, immediately not allowing to, no space at all. That's an indication. That's why there should be a proper way of scheduling updates are going to be take place, or it may be the employees registered in the organization. Update virus signature files as soon as possible. All we have come across a very a neat forum. If you switch on a system, it directly goes to the CMOS setup. It goes to the, after the post power on self test, comes to the CMOS setup and finally get into the kernel, and it will say directly accessible to the OS. Correct? No, before that one, it will check all the thing virus. If you have like Kaspersky, Avasta, whatever the standard level of antivirus packages, if you are go with a license oriented trial version, which was to be updated, especially in case of Windows environment. Keep in mind, update virus signature file as soon as possible, immediately once you switch on a system. Protect a network by implementing a firewall. Generally, any sort of a local area network in any organization without a security, without incorporating, without installing firewall, impossible to maintain a reliable, maintain a very privacy and the protective network. That's why a firewall is some sort of a configured device in a network, unauthorized person. Immediately there should be a protection and there should be a privacy, not only on the device, and we can do on the system also. See, keep in mind, education or educative to the user, in addition to you have to be managed with respect to the various type of device updations, especially the firewall setting up implementation. No? Similarly, how you can easily manage the virus updations. So, because of 1 year license, so 2 year license, so 3 year license, so number of user license. So you mentioned for like a 300 user and you for 400 machine, correct? No, how you are going to be extend the updation to the EMC, annual maintenance services, EMS. And similarly, avoiding fear practice. Generally, what will happen used to be physically correct. No, if myself done a mistake, always you think about something goes wrong. If any sort of a security, any sort of a judiciary comes in and around, it's ultimately correct. Now, you say a nuisance. It's a mental preparation like that. Same as it is if anything goes wrong, your approach to user or a potential customer should be promoting awareness rather than instant, correct? No? And automatically it will be providing such a way that how any intruder control the, correct? No? The level of accessibility, interaction to the computer, and the technological aspect. When training, especially the training to the user, training to the employee, build a knowledge, and also which whenever they, wherever it may be, whenever they required, even though they have a knowledge about all tactics of whatever the device installed in an organization with respect to the regular reliability, then also, even though then also they used to be get certain training, how they have to be go preliminary level low, privilege level low, master level low, end user level low, manager level low. Like that way, these are the various levels of protections are very very essentially for the deliberation of any sort of a software attacks going to be happen in the organization or entrepreneur or MNC. What are the compromises to intellectual? Especially, you say this particular correct. No, any sort of intellectual property which are going to be governed, how we are going to be manageable is the ownership of ideas and control over the tangible or virtual representation of those ideas. We need not to be correct. No, today even though we are finding lot of threats. Correct. No, mentally we prepared or something. If you go outside without wearing mask, without maintaining a distance, correct. No chances of infection. See, you should prepare like that way. Ideas in our mind, but how which are going to be virtually represented, even though we have to proceed for our future aspects, future plan of action that indicate that one you have to go and proceed virtual representation of some sort of an idea which are going to be carry our knowledge. That's why only remember most of the aspects which are very very essential in educational policy, especially intellectual properties are the features required for managing in a logical, similarly in a very systematically any sort of representation is required for ideas which are going to be incorporated, especially other than the property or the asset of the physical, the intellectual property bound to be within the organization through most of the components. We can say router is a device, so network, what sort of a software you are using for Adobe. Correct? No? In all cases, meant for a specific level of an accessibility with a login and password. These are the various intellectual. Many organizations are in a business to create intellectual property. Correct? No? We have come across, suppose if you go and buy any of our correct no regular home appliances and used to say some brand, correct no, say they have a level of accessibility with an interaction with number of agents, a trade secrets, even though you are observing the trademark of concern, correct no, the component they have there, but how they used to be maintained, we did not know. This one is from Adidas, so this one is from correct no Titan, no this one is correct no. How same as it is here also, there should be trademark secrets are available, and similarly any sort of a documentation which are going to be launched, there should be a copyright. We can't just make use a ownership, a duplication. We can't make use a correct no copying and the how the pirated related stuff of information through that one. Copyright, trademarks. Similarly, patents. Suppose any sort of an information which are going to be in the form of a knowledge. These knowledge which are going to be creating a wisdom to the society, then you can say patent, some sort of a product. See today, which are through Android application, correct? No, you can develop. There is no limit for developing any sort of an applications, any sort of apps compatible to the device. If you are going to be create yourself only, your own idea with a novel approaches, so then that is going to be patent. See in any you can take several organization, especially in a business case study, they have their intellectual property. Intellectual property features are the comprises. One is a trade secret. They have the level of privacy, and in which way the documentation for that particular creativity, how which are going to be my contributions. I say it's my contribution. Correct? You have to make a document here. That documentation itself only copyright. Then trademarks. You have to make a comparison with other. Is a useful, pros, cons, so how long is going to be sustainable, correct? No trademark. Then ideas are very, very clear. What it says completely, many organization creates, especially support the development of intellectual property as part of their business operation, especially intellectual defined as the ownership of ideas and how you can. Balana ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅದು ಹಾ ಬೇಡ 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 ಓಕೆ 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 ಬದನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬದನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ You got it, no? See, many organizations are in the business, sorry for the troubling. Many organizations are in the business to create intellectual property, consists of trade secrets, copyrights, trademarks, patents, one to another. See, which are a good relations between. And also, IPs especially define breaches and if any sort of the duplication which are going to be take place and the security flow of an information most commonly correct no especially publishing immediate flow business software alliance and so everything you can come out and you can make an attempt of a number of technical security aspects of that one mechanism in a digital watermark embedded. We will come to know what are the standard level of privacy and the secrecy and which are going to be manageable with the help of algorithm or techniques and we can say those are nothing but watermarking, digital watermarking technique. And similarly, how we can go with a level of digitization or embedded coding mechanism are possible. And still we can move most common intellectual property archive in software privacy. See, if you are going to purchase any sort of a software, they used to give like a 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, and after 3 years, how which are going to be maintainable and manageable. These are the privacy, or you can piracy of that one. You can, if you are going to download like a some standard level of a software, like especially like a legal level of a software. So if you are in a position to make use compulsory, then you can go with a trial version. No? After trial version of that one, then you can go through understand the real application, real pros of that one. Later you can go with the piracy matter. Software piracy, especially if any sort of publication which are going to be take place, synopsis, project, and you have to make you some standard piracy softwares. Watchdog organization investigation, one of the company like it provide having its own intellectual property like software and information industry association. See, similarly here also overall going to be the controlling association have their own rules and regulation. One among software and SIIA, that is a Software Information Industry Association. Any sort of a software which are going to be venture, launch or create or novelly provide, then you have to go with the terms and conditions of Software and Information Industry Association. Similarly, which are meant for financial related to business intelligence, so commercial related to, then we can say business software alliance. Enforcement of copyright has been attempted while technical security mechanism. And there should be a standard procedure available which are going to be attempted purely especially for the technical aspects of the security mechanism. You can say one to another for the enforcement copyright compromises IP related in any organization with a level of various threats. Similarly, how we can proceed for a nature, forces of nature. If you any sort of a dangerous things flooding, so we are observing that today even though we are moving smoothly we are finding lot of restriction from the god from the nature. Similarly for here also if any chances of a mechanism which are going to be pressurized, which are going to be forced, acts of a god are dangerous because they are unexpected and can occur with very little warning, correct? Now, they used to say these are the things are happening by hook or crook generally. But there should be a solution for those problems also. And we can disturb not only the individual who are all going to be represented, but also the storage where you would like to be keep. Especially if you have a disk is mainly maintaining all sort of an information flow. Similarly, if during the time of communication also transmission time and use of information. Ultimately, various phases are there. Need not to be think in one setup, and we can find out these are the type of problems or forces or pressures of nature from one, not only on the target of a storage during the time of transmission also, and while using an information also may chances are more, which include just observation. Something goes wrong due to the short circuit firing, flood, earthquake, and lightning as well as, correct? No, these are some sort of eruption and insect infestation. We can say we are not in a position to say anything because going to be happen and the forces of nature itself only. And it is not possible to avoid many of these threats. Management must implement controls to the limit damage and also prepare contingency plan for continued up. See what will happen today because of a rainy season. We are not in a position to get a very good rainy during rainy monsoon season, but we will get an abrupt level. Correct? No. Yesterday, somewhat cloudy weather, early morning, night, correct? Now you can find out. But this is not the season of rain. But even though you are getting due to the condition of changes of weather, and you have to think in a different manner, these are going to be damaged little, but certain limitation, and you have to be ready for continuing our service. Correct? Now, not for that only we can't stop our service. We can't just make a full stop over any sort of a task which are going to be executed in the organization. You have to think about in which way you have to take alternative measurement for continuing the operation because of nature level of forces and the pressure going to be happen. Regular activities of information security and especially technical hardware failures or errors. We used to say failures from the manpower, failure from the various surroundings. If something fails, goes through hardware failure or errors occurs when a manufacturer distribute to the user equipment containing flaws. We are very happy to receive any sort of a components which are very essentially required for our correct now day-to-day activities. But if a chances of connectivity problem which are not going to be precisely assembled and which are not taken a measurement while making a fabrication. These are various other steps which are there, correct? Now, completing a product, then once again say, if you say motherboard having a different layers approaches, correct? Now, DMA, how the accessibility, data management accessibility, logical unit to control it, correct? No, these are the lines of segments, lines of interfaces, lines of interrupts one to another. If anything goes wrong, correct? No, whatever the investment of the, correct? No, that particular equipment, correct? No, we are going to be get a loss for that due to the manufacture, correct? No, failureness and which are going to be happen and equipment investment or equipment manufacturing or equipment fabrication or equipment assembling. These are some sort of a negligible. And also defects can cause the system to perform outside of correct no, expected parameter, resulting in unreliable service or a lack of availability. See, even though we are in a position to you might become across which gives a very clear warning. Once you are running in Windows environment, you are reaching 99%. Even though while downloading an information of any sort of audio video, it will give a very clear picture about you are getting a threat and the system is going to be damaged. You neglect, correct, no lack of, but which are all time being, but later which are going to be affected in some other way where the correct level of allocation, ultimately there should be a problem. Some errors are terminal, particular result which are unrecoverable loss of the equipment. That means to say you are taking into consideration for a time being any sort of errors occurs also negligible during that point, but later stage which are going to be unrecoverable, and automatically equipment is not going to be usable long time. Some errors are intermittent, correct? No, and you can say going to be take place periodically manifest themselves, results in those errors, and we are not in the correct. No, sometime may repetition, sometime which are comes, correct? No, okay, irregularly, and we can find out these are the different type of technical hardware failures or the errors is once you are using an equipment, especially assembled equipment. We say assembled equipment, how which are going to be a problematic to the information security. And still we can continue. Threats comes from purchasing software with unrevealed faults. They used to say, correct? No, even though while going ourselves trial and error through the internet or through the web service surfing, and we will ask the question, then which are not going to be unrevealed from the vendors, which are not going to be from the proprietor, then also these are all the problem during the purchase time. A large quantities of the computer code are written, debugged, published, and sold there to return. Not all bugs are resolved. Generally, what will happen? Used for like imperative programming, used for like functional programming, used for like object-oriented programming, but which are not going to work for the logical programming, then those bugs which are not resolved very clear. That's why we have a step-by-step procedure of a programming language, beginning from Ada, then followed by Pascal, COBOL, business purpose. So similarly, C, C++ programming. Now you venture high-level Python programming. It consists of all imperative level of a statement which are going to be executed, logical level of a statement, functional statement. So, and finally, you can say even object-oriented correct programming functionalities also. And these are correct one to another. They enrich their knowledge. How once you are using a coding mechanism which are easily handled. An example is numerical control machine. Correct, no? It will give a very clear picture about how the analysis, how the analyze of that one, what sort of an extraction of the information flow from the device, how we can pre-process. These are all the some sort of a standard examples. Sometimes unique combination of certain software and hardware reveal new bugs. Even though you're using due to the uninterrupted power supply, due to the various other impact, the chances of new bugs happen to be correct. No, see what will happen, what we are using for the component, which are going to be set within the range of the resistance, so within the range of the ohms, so within the range of the power supply, PCC. Then if it goes more on, which goes to be effect for the other internal resistance, so impedance, so what are all the internal components are there, no? These are all the problem used to be faced. Sometimes these items are not errors but are revealed, correct? No, which are looks like a shortcuts, and we can just with the help of some programs, correct? No, we can just manage with the program, and we can just neglect those type of an errors, those type of failures with the help of some programming paradigm. We can say similarly. Some of the technological, see if something go unreliability, untrustworthy of the system, so management must always recognize when the technology becomes outdated. See, absolute. Today we don't have like a Pentium process. We don't have like Intel, correct? Now we are finding like Intel i3, i7, and the dual core, quad core server, correct? How the changes which went on through that one. And we have to take a lot of risk also, a loss of data of integrity also, because of threatening, because of various type of attacks which are comes to the system. Ideally, proper planning by any management of correct no should prevent and also which risk from technological various negligence, and the various other identify management must have their own level of action, have their own level of action. You can say due to the erroneous factor which comes from the nature, intellectual properties, especially trade secrets, copyright, and similarly some of the standard deliberation, protection, and the protecting issues of a software attack. So compromises to the intellectual property related matters. So, and you can say technical hardware failures and the errors. So, and similarly how which are going to be identified, managed for a certain action, even though the errors are going to be nullified without terminating how this particular system is useful. Finally, of course, I'll explain what are all the attacks and other things in next class. Dear friends, if you have any questions which related, I'll complete all the attacks of an information next class. So usually how the various type of an attacks available for managing of like malware code, and similarly you can take into consideration if you have an IP, how what sort of an iris, viruses, so how we can easily protect one to another, and mail especially. Is it any sort of a open source software tools are available? All the things I'll explain in next class. Any doubt so far? I just repeat once again. Protection of standard level of issues and which goes to be delivered as software attacks, and first and the foremost you have to educate the users, and next one is how we can just avoid some sort of fairness, correct, no? With the help of information features. So and how we can go for compromises, especially the intellectual property rights, copyrights information, trademarks usages, and how we can create a novel idea and patent. And most of the intellectual property comes under the control and the authorization of standard association. One is called Software and Information Industry Association, and another one is Business Software Alliances. These are two important authorization bodies, technological bodies, maintain the rules and regulation in order to manage a full-fledged security, highly reliable information flow one to another, how which are going to be. I'll take you tomorrow class at 11:30. Okay, well.